Hello students, I am Arman present here for your online classes. Then today I am going to start your chapter decimals. Then decimal play a very important role in our mathematics. In this chapter we will learn how decimal are an extension of base 10 system and explore the relationship between the fraction and decimals. We will also learn comparison of decimal operation on decimal and application of decimals. First of all, we have to know about the decimal places as the tens value. Then what is the tens value and a place value of decimal? There are two parts in decimal number. The part before decimal and the part before decimal is called a whole number or integral part, and the part after decimal is called fractional part or decimal part. Then see here, if I have a number 52.625, these two digits are situated before decimal is a whole number, and this two digit is called फ्रैक्शनल पार्ट. जैसे आपके सिंपल होल नंबर में प्लेस वैल्यूज होते हैं, सेम यहाँ पे भी प्लेस वैल्यूज होते हैं. दिस वन इज वंस, टेंथ. सो दिस साइड दिस बिलोंग्स टू टेंस, हंड्रेड्स and thousands. Tens, that is 1 upon 10, 1 upon 100, and thousands, that is 1 upon thousands. So if we explore this or write in expanded form, we can write here 4 into 10 plus 2 into 1 decimal, and 6 into 1 upon 10, 2 into 1 upon 100, 5 into 1 upon 1000. So these are the place. After that we can write 40 plus 2 decimal, 6 upon 10, 2 upon 100, and 5 upon 1000. So these are the place. Ones, tens, then tens, this is hundreds, and this one called thousand place. This is called expanded form of decimal number. Similarly, we can expand other decimal numbers. If we have 325.205, then we can write 3 into 100 plus 2 into 10 plus 5 into 1 decimal, 2 into 1 upon 10, 0, and 5 into 1 upon 1000. And expanded after that 300 plus 20 plus 5 is decimal, upon 10, 0 plus 5 upon 1000. This is the expanded form of this one. There are two types of decimal. First is a like decimal and another one is an unlike decimal. like decimal. The decimals having the same number of decimal places after decimals is called like decimals. किसी भी डेसिमल नंबर में डेसिमल के बाद अगर सेम डिजिट होते हैं 10 डेसिमल नंबर्स में भी, सो देन दे आर कॉल्ड लाइक डेसिमल्स. 2.05, 60.26, 9.63, then all have 2 digits after decimals. So these are called like decimals. Unlike decimals, those decimal number who has not same digit as after decimal, 5.625, 2.2, 100.02, etc. All have different number of digit after decimal. So these are called unlike decimals. Here your next term, how we can convert a decimal number to a fraction or a fraction to a decimal number. Change a decimal to fraction. Suppose you have a number 52.61 and you have to write in a fraction. So there are 2 steps here to convert this. First step, write the decimal number without the decimal point as a numerator. 5261, and after that write 1 followed by the as many zeros as the number of digit in the decimal part as the denominator. That means कि डेसिमल के बाद जितने डिजिट हो उतने ज़ीरो उसके डिनोमिनेटर्स में 1 के साथ हम दे देते हैं. Then 1 and there are 2 digits after decimal, so write 20 here. So this one is 5261 upon 100. See another 6.59. Then the answer is 659 upon 100. 8262.109. So when we change in fraction, 8262.109. 2,62,109 upon how many digits here after decimal? 1, 2, 3. So followed by 1, put here 3 zeros as a denominator. So this similarly you can convert your decimal to fraction on this way. Now the next is change a fraction to a decimal. How we can change a fraction to a decimal? Fraction to decimal. A fraction with a denominator 10 or its higher power can be converted to decimal easily. So therefore it is convenient to find the decimal equivalent of fraction by converting its denominator into some power of a 10. In order to convert a fraction into a decimal, follow these steps. Obtain the fraction and convert it into an equivalent fraction with denominators 10, 100, 100, 1000. Suppose here is the example 168 upon 100. You have a change in a decimal fraction. First write the whole number, and after that mark decimal points after as many places from the rights as there as 0 after 1 in the denominator. So there are 2 0 here, so we have to put decimal after 2 digit from left side, 1 or 2. The answer is 1.68. Suppose your number is 3 upon 4. So convert 4 as a multiple of a 4 as a 100, 10 or 1000. When we multiply 4 into 25 as equivalent fraction, we got 100 and 75. So write here 75 and put decimal after 2 digits, 1 or a 2. Yeah. So the answer is 0.75. And those fractions who cannot be converted as a 10, 100 or 1000, so you have to simply divide and write in a decimal fraction.